Welcome to the Math Magician channel. In this video, we are finding square roots but in a different way because they are giving you the factors in index notation. And then we have to find out the square root. So, what is index notation and how we can find out the square root by using this notation? Yes, if they are giving you the question in term of this, giving that the prime factorization, it means the index notation having the prime factorization, both are correlated. And find you have to find out the square root for this number. They are giving you square root of this number. Find. Without using a calculator, don't use the calculator, it's necessary. So what is index notation? Basically, it's the prime factors, but the way of the presentation is different. What is it? Just like you have three numbers, they are repeating again and again. So instead of you are writing this, you can show the power of it. So there is no need to show it again and again 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Just you can show just like an as. This is called the index notation. And the number that is in larger position, it's called the base because this number is going to repeat it again and again. But how many times is going to repeat it? This is called the index. So that's why it's called the index notation. In this question, they are giving you these factors. What does it means? It means it's having, you will write it 4. Kindly don't write it by 5 times. How what is does means 3 power 2. It means you have to show 3 by 3. What does mean 7 squared? It means you have two sevens. But this is the same questions. Why you are showing in different ways? So you have to show it in one lane. 2 powered 4 you have written multiply by, it's connected together, 3 power 2 multiply by 7 powered 7, it means 7 multiplied by 7. So all these factors giving that the prime factorization of this is this. According to this lane, the prime factorization of this, so you are maintaining this line, just expanded form. In another words, you can say it is the expanded form. So find square root. You know this symbol is for the square root. So you are finding the square root of this number. So what are the factors here for the square root? Then you are showing it because you are taking the pair together, making the pairs together for once you are finding the square root. So for the square root of 7,056, so for this, if you are finding the pairs, one pair, one number from each pair, one pair, one number from each pair, one pair, one member from each pair, and another pair, and one number comes from each pair. So this step is completed. And have you noticed there is no need to solve out by using the division method? They already giving you the prime factors. But the one thing is very interesting, these prime factors in terms of the index notation. But now you are very familiar about the index notation. Just you have to write the numbers in expanded form and otherwise all the ways will be same for you. In a square root you are making the pairs together. So you are making once you are making the pairs, so you have go for the square root verification. So once you are finding squares and you are finding your answer, go for the verification कि my answer is correct. So 84 multiply by 84. Again your number will comes. It means your working has been corrected. Yahoo!